Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. Now we're mostly going to be on Amazon, but we are going to hit Home Depot and Acme Tools, and there's going to be a bunch, hopefully, of videos coming out in the next couple of days because I got like 4 or 5, carry the 1, subtract 2, and 3, and then you circle back. I got at least 6 videos that I want to get done, and time is not on my side, so we're going to do the best we can. You may get hit back to back with some. But anyways, there's a lot of amazing deals going on right now. It's really good. Did I mention all these are going to be linked down below? These are all going to be linked down below. Some of them aren't going to last too long. I'm leading off with this cordless inflator because it's a double dipper, and I don't think it's going to last very long. But I did notice some people in the affiliate account have purchased it already. It's still good right now, so we're just going to keep fingers crossed. It's an amazing deal. Before we get into this, I just have to share with you one bit of amazing news, okay? This is really good news. It's a personal thing, so you guys don't really give a shit, but I'm going to say it anyways. So when you log into your YouTube account, if you have a YouTube creator account, you know, like a channel, they have all these different boxes of like comments and subscribers and stats and everything. And well, I always have a red warning box on the top of my page, and it's been like that for like 5 or 6 years. And this warning box is for community guideline strikes, and it's warning me that if I get another strike, I won't be able to upload for a week. And if you've been subscribed for a while, you might know it was like a year ago, about a year ago, I think, I couldn't upload for a week. Everything had to be uploaded to the second channel, which technically is against the rules. You're not supposed to upload to any channel, but shh, don't tell anyone I said that. Anyway, that box disappeared yesterday. That box is gone for the first time in years. So now I can say whatever the I want because I already know the first thing I do, or the first strike I get, is just a warning. It's the second one that's the bitch. So look out. I'm gonna have to do a little tool deals after dark unfiltered here pretty soon. Tire inflator portable air compressor, 150 psi electric with digital pressure gauge, 2000 milliamp hour battery. So we got the little cordless inflator. I kind of really like these cordless inflators because it's nice not being tethered or having to worry, is the 12-volt cable long enough to go from an accessory plug or the cigarette lighter. Does anyone call it the cigarette lighter anymore? I do. And get it all the way to a tire or not. Now the only thing is obviously you got to make sure you keep it charged because if it has a dead battery, it ain't going to do you a dick. But keep it charged and they work really well. So it starts out at $69.99. We have a 50% promo code that's going to bring it down to $35, but then there's a $20 coupon on the page, and this is why I don't think both of these discounts are going to last. I don't think this was intentional. It's $14.99 after both discounts. That's an amazing deal. That would be a really good deal even for a corded one. Obviously, the cordless ones are always more expensive than the corded ones. So I really like that deal. Really like that deal. Next up, this one is amazing too. Random Orbit Sander by DCK. Variable speed. Comes with 10 pieces of sandpaper. No promo code, no coupon, just an overstock. Now, these overstock things, the bitch about them is they'll change the price at any time. Once they get a certain volume sold, it's not overstock anymore. You can't see the air quotes, but hopefully you heard the air quotes from the inflection of my voice. Overstock. Anyway, so it's $14.99 right now. The good thing is it's not a promo code or a coupon, so you could buy more than one if you wanted. But that's definitely worth $14.99. I mean, even the cheapest one at Harbor Freight or Northern Tool or wherever you go, Menards, Home Depot, $14.99. That's insanely cheap for an Orbital Sander, so really like that one. So shooting over to Home Depot, this is a deal that's been existing. It just got cheaper. This was part of the holiday specials where you get free items. The Ryobi 2-tool kit, you get the impact driver, you get the drill, you're getting 2 2-amp hour batteries, and you get 2 free bare tools. So during Christmas and everything, this was $1.99, and recently they discounted it another $20. So it was a pretty good deal to begin with, but now getting the 2 free tools with it, I mean, you're getting 4 tools, 2 batteries for $179. If you like Ryobi tools, or if you would, be willing to have them, that's a really good deal. Now check out that, man, there's so many amazing deals. It's just like hitting you, there's one after another. 6-pack. Okay, I know not everyone's going to need a 6-pack, but give one to a friend, Christmas gifts, anniversary gift, you're welcome. LED, tell them it was my idea. You get a little extra bonies for that. They all hate me anyways. 200 watts, so that's a heck of a light right there. That's a bright-ass light. 20,000 lumens or so, they say. 6500K. This is by SEO Blog. Although I think that's probably an I. I like SEO blog better. 40% off. Look at that. 6-pack. Normally $70. And if we cut that in half, that would be $35, but we're not cutting that in half, so it's closer to $40. But then you're getting 6 of them, so that's under $10 a piece. What is that, like $6 or $8 a piece? Whatever it is, insanely cheap. Figure out a reason to have 6 of them. Grease gun coupler. 3-jaw locking, quick release, grease gun tip. These things have been very popular lately. We've been seeing promo codes, and I picked one up a couple of months ago. I actually like these a lot better than just the standard. And this is by Vore, and it's 50% off. So these are universal too. As any grease gun you have, boom, throw it on there. And it just makes it nice and easy to get it on the grease circs. $16.99, half off, $8.49. Public school math, kicking into gear. See, it's before midnight, so I think my brain is still working a little bit, so I can kind of basically somewhat do the math. Boy, I was way off on one the other day. It was funny how off I was. I'm an idiot. 300-piece heat shrink wire connector kit by Inashi. 60% off. Look at all these. They're heat, they're crimps. You crimp, you heat. It's glued, it's screwed, kinda, although it's crimped. This is a 300-piece kit. $27.99, 50% promo code, so $13.99, and then we got a 10% coupon, so we're taking another about $3 off. It's going to be like $10 or $11 on this guy. The promo code does two things. It's going to automatically apply it to your account as long as you're logged into Amazon. The other thing is it has 4 options to choose from. I think there were different quantities. One, I think, was all butt connectors, and you got to love a good butt connector. But as far, I checked, did I check all 4 of them? I don't know. At least 1 or 2 of the other ones had a 10% coupon to go with it. Probably all of them do. So 60% off. Get yourself some extra connectors. 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. 35-piece metric and SAE. 6 point... Dude, I'm making a video and you're over there hacking. Hold it until the end, will you? And they can probably hear you smacking your lips. That's the dog. It's not me. Shallow socket includes socket adapter extension bars. This is by Steel Vision. It's 50% off. Comes in the handy dandy case. 67 reviews. 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. You know, it looks like an economy set just kind of looking at it, but starts out at $40. We have a 40% promo code, a 10% coupon. You pay $19.99. And there you go. That Northern Tool deal the other day with the impact socket sets, I bought one. They sent me 2. As long as they don't charge me for 2, because I didn't want to. But they sent me 2, so hey. Soldering Station, 75 watt. It was 2 separate packages too, by the way. One came like just yesterday, and that deal was like from 10 days ago or something, so maybe that's why. I don't know what happened. 75 watt soldering iron kit, portable soldering kit, 5 iron head tips. Oh, that reminds me, I wanted to post it. Okay, if you're a Northern Tool shopper and you care at all, go to their Instagram account. They posted a $20 off $100 purchase coupon that's good for this weekend only. I just remembered that, and I meant to post it myself, and now we're a day through it, and it's not worth the time. But I told you about it, so bonies for that. This is by Daxian Mayo, and it's 40% off. Normally $50. Okay, that's a little high. I mean, it's got a little extra pizzazz to it, but soldering irons are generally not expensive. But we have 40% off, so bring it down to like $30. Industrial endoscope, inspection camera, sewer camera, handheld, waterproof. It'd be funny if they made one of these and it wasn't waterproof. Like half of the reasons to use it are gone. Snake camera, 8 LEDs, 16-footer, semi-rigid. Okay, we'll let it pass. Like full rigid myself. It's by Light Swim, and it's 50% off. So there it is right there. Lots of reviews on that one. $44.90. 25% promo code, 25% coupon. It's like $22. Really cheap. You can do a colonoscopy with one of these, especially with that hook end. That would feel good. Oh, jeez. Acme Tools flash sale. 10% on select DeWalt tools. Now I wanted to do a whole thing. We're just not gonna have time because I have way too many videos that there's some good stuff coming up. I'm telling you, and some stuff that's gonna piss some people off. And it was like intentional. I almost had to go out of my way to be like, oh, this is gonna piss people off. I gotta lean into this a little bit just because that's the kind of guy I am. So we're not gonna have time to do this because it's only good for today and then tomorrow. And if you're watching this tomorrow, which most of you will, because I'm gonna upload this at like midnight. It's 10% off, and it's DeWalt stuff, which you think to yourself, okay, 10%, I don't get out of bed for 10%, you know, get away from me with that 10%. But it stacks with, at least for the ones I tried, other promos that are currently going on. So we're going to use this, it was probably in that graphic, but I posted it somewhere on here. Tool Time 10 promo code. And I checked a couple of things that were like, you buy this tool, you get a free battery. And it allowed you to use the promo code and get the free item. Now, Acme Tools almost never does that. So you'll get free shipping on over $199, and this promo code stacks with the battery. So it actually is a pretty good deal because it's just something you don't see otherwise. It's worth going through. Now, I went and put together my list of the most highly discounted items, and that's on this page that I'll have linked down below. And a lot of it is not the stuff I would like it to be. One problem with Acme Tools is their starting price on things are just kind of insane. So then when they have a discounted price, it looks more discounted than it actually was because the starting price was bullshit. So like even this isn't a great deal. You can get this with that Power Stack battery right now for $159 at Home Depot. So bare tool for $199? No. But, you know, that's what it is. It just compares the original price with the current price and then organizes by highest discount. But I threw it on there just so people could take a look. Like, this isn't too bad. I actually kind of like that. Because you're going to take another 10%. What's that, about almost $30 off? Be around $250-ish. Free shipping. They might not give you free shipping. Sometimes they're bastards on the free shipping. Because they'll call it freight shipping or oversized or something. Okay. Next up, we have the Bora wood organizer and lumber storage metal rack. 4-level wall unit, indoor and outdoor use. So there it is, stacking your wood. It's actually not a bad idea. I need something like that. Throw it on the ground, inside or outside, doesn't work very well. Just doesn't do well. $29.99. Now that's a price match with Acme Tools. However, at Acme Tools, you'll have to add a shipping charge into that. Tool Nut has it for $40, and Home Depot has it for $55. So you're half price, basically, of Home Depot there. You can stack lumber all day long. 100-piece car fuses assortment kit, blade type automotive fuses by Tyon. It's 30% off. Look at that handy dandy case and all the fuses you can use. Boy, I'm going through fuses like crazy. I gotta figure out what's causing the light fuse to blow constantly on the Corvette. I'm guessing, well, I just gotta track down what wire's doing it. $6.99, 30% off. Now I think this had other quantities on the page, but I posted this 2 days ago. I posted this 2 days ago. I don't remember if it worked for the other quantities on the page, but hey, you can always use fuses. We got the Dong Chang cordless drill driver. I gotta take that 50% off. That shouldn't be there. 1/2-inch keyless chuck brushless power drill. 42-piece drilling kit with a 2 amp hour battery. So there it is. It's $22.39. That's really cheap for a brushless drill. Even come with the little kit, like, I don't know, maybe the kit sucks or whatever, but you're getting the full 2 amp hour battery, the charger, and Dong Chang has other cordless tools. Like, if you're thinking about getting this, I would definitely look up on Amazon, see what other Dong Chang stuff is available, and if anything else is on sale. I didn't have the time to do that, although I probably should have. But you may end up getting yourself a drill, an impact driver, an angle grinder, and if they're all on sale, that's a damn good price right there. Alright guys, that's it for the amazing deals in this video. We got a bunch more stuff coming up. So make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time.